Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday addressed public rallies to campaign for its ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in poll-bound states of West Bengal and Assam. While the BJP seeks to put an end to the 10-year rule of the Trinamool Congress in Bengal, it is campaigning to retain power in northeastern Assam state.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday addressed massive public rallies to campaign for his ruling BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, in poll-bound states of West Bengal and Assam. Speaking in West Bengal's Purulia, PM Modi hit out at the Trinamool Congress, which rules the state, for corruption and said the party has completely ignored development, as he promised work opportunities if BJP is voted to power, and referred to a slew of central schemes which the TMC is yet to implement. In his rally in Assam's Karimganj, Modi said BJP has brought connectivity both physically and culturally in the northeastern state. While the BJP seeks to put an end to the 10-year rule of the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, it is campaigning to retain power in Assam, where polls will be held from March 27 to April 6 in 3 phases.
जब बंगाल में डबल इंजन की सरकार बनेगी, एक दिल्ली का इंजन और दूसरा बंगाल का इंजन, जब डबल इंजन की सरकार बनेगी तो यहां विकास भी होगा और आपका जीवन भी आसान बनेगा.
Meanwhile, West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also held a public meeting to campaign for Trinamool Congress in Kharagpur on Thursday. She blamed BJP leaders arrived from outside with bag full of cash to lure voters just ahead of elections, but remained absent during any crisis. The election to the 294-seat West Bengal Assembly will be held between March 27 and April 29 in 8 phases. The results will be announced on 2nd of May.